located in your seat pocket. Please take a moment to read it before takeoff. Exits and aisles must be kept clear from baggage during the whole flight. All electronic devices must be switched off or set to flight mode and stored safely for takeoff and landing. In case you drop an electronic device inside the seat, avoid moving the seat and call a cabin crew member for assistance, as this may affect your safety and the safety of the aircraft. To start our flight, make sure your seatbelt is securely fastened. Seat back is fully upright. Handsets stowed. Footrest and tray table are folded away. And window shades are fully opened. Cabin crew will now move around to do a final cabin check for takeoff, as we are here to make your flight safe and comfortable. Egypt Air wishes you a pleasant flight.